Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today's recipe is a dessert loaded with dry fruits that enhances the taste and flavor. Specially served for your family and friends on the occasion of Eid, that is Sheer Khurma. It is also loved by people across the world and is now a household name. So let's get started. The dry fruits required to make the Sheer Khurma are 2 tablespoons of almonds which I have soaked overnight, peeled and chopped. 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts which I have soaked overnight and chopped. 2 tablespoons of raisins. 2 tablespoons of charoli seeds. 3 dried dates which I have soaked overnight and chopped. And 3 tablespoons of pistachios which I have chopped. Place a pan on the stove and light the gas. Put 1 tablespoon of ghee into the pan and keep the flame on medium. Drop in the dry fruits as shown except the raisins. Fry for a few minutes till the dry fruits give out a nice roasted aroma. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Lastly, drop in the raisins, stir for a few seconds and transfer to a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee into the pan and add a cup of vermicelli or Sevai. Fry it lightly till it is slightly brown. And transfer it to a bowl. Now place a kadai on the stove, pour in 1 liter of full fat milk and light the gas. Bring it to a boil, stirring continuously. Add half a cup of milk powder and keep stirring for that thick creamy texture. Now add half a cup of sugar. Keep stirring till the sugar melts. Add the dry fruit to the milk and allow it to boil. Keep a little dry fruit aside for garnish. When the milk starts boiling, add the vermicelli or the Sevai and turn the flame to sim. Add the stands of saffron, say half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Let it simmer on a slow flame for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Now turn off the gas. This mouth-watering Sheer Khurma is ready to be served. Transfer it to a serving bowl and garnish it with the remaining dry fruits. Do try this recipe for your family and friends and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe, till then, bye bye, and wishing all my viewers Eid Mubarak.